Hello children, today let me tell you about mass. What is mass in simple word? How it's related to your mathematics? Is it equal to your weight? So all these things today we will discuss in our today's topic. So without waste time, let's get started children. I have written something on the board. Mass is the amount of matter that makes up an object. Okay, what exactly this mass? Is it equal to weight? Mass means what? What is the weight of a glass of water? What is the weight of a hammer? Okay, so how to say what is exactly the mass of that object? Mass is the amount of matter that makes up an object, but weight is the force exerted on an object due to gravity. So this is very important children to remember. Mass is not equal to weight. Mass is different, weight is different. Mass is always fixed value, but the weight of the object, it varies from object to object. So detail we will discuss now. So I have written here as like your measurement of your length. I have written some units. Clear? I have written here in the middle of this format, that is written gram. So this gram we can take as your standard unit or base unit of your mass. Clear? And above that some higher units are there, and below that some lower units are there. Clear? So let's discuss what is kg. Kg stands for kilogram. Nowadays we are also taking this kg and gram both as your standard unit. Maximum we are using this kilogram and gram. So kg stands for kilogram, hg stands for hectogram, dag decagram, then this is your base unit gram, then below that this is decigram, this is centigram, this is milligram. So as your length of measurement, this is also smallest or lowest unit of your mass, that is your milligram. Okay. So suppose what is the weight of this piece of chalk? So will you use to measure this the unit kilogram? Will you? No. We can take the smallest unit milligram. It will come in some points. Okay. So how to use this all these units in your day-to-day life? This kilogram, hectogram, decagram, these are called higher units and these are called lower units. And how to change these higher to lower or lower to higher? Let me show you with the examples. Suppose one question is given that convert 2 kilogram 36 gram into gram. This value is given both kilogram and gram, and we have to convert all the values into a single unit, that is your gram. How to convert? So first of all you have to think that kilogram, how much gram? 1 kilogram, how much gram? That thing we will discuss first. Kilogram is here, gram is here. As usual your conversion from higher to lower in case of your measurement of length, how we have discussed that per step we have to multiply by 10 when we are coming down, means from higher to lower unit. So here children 3 steps we are coming down. So you have to write here 1 kilogram equal to 1000 gram. As your 3 steps we are covering. So 10 into 10 into 10, that is coming your 1000. So 1 kilogram equal to 1000 gram. Got it? Then 2 kilogram, it's asking 2 kilogram. So what to do? You multiply 2 into 1000 equal to 2000 gram. We converted this kilogram into gram. Got it? Then another thing is left out, 36 gram. So now you add both the values. Why we are adding? Because we are getting the same units. So now you add both the values, we will get 2036, means 2036 gram. Got it? This is your conversion when the question is asking kilogram, gram to gram. Suppose in place of kilogram, it's asking 15 gram 5 milligram into milligram. You can see here, children, the question is in gram and milligram. So gram is here, milligram is here. So how to convert this now? So you have to check it. 1 gram first, how much milligram? 1 gram equal to how much milligram? Let me find out. So here also we are crossing 1 step, 2 step, 3 step. So 10 into 10 into 10, it's coming again 1000 milligram. So 1 gram, 1000 milligram. It is given 15 gram. So 15 into 1000, it's coming 15,000, children, milligram. We converted first gram to milligram. Then this thing is left out, 5. Now what you will do? Add both the values. Clear? It's coming 15,005 milligram. Now we got the answer in our single unit milligram. We converted gram milligram into milligram. Clear? If the same question 15,005 milligram, this question 5 milligram, you convert into gram and milligram. So what to do, children? So see the units. Question is asking in lower unit and we are going to change it into higher unit. Means gram and milligram in both the units we will convert now. So what to do now? How to find out? The thing you have to remember, when we are going in upward direction, means when we are changing some smaller unit to higher unit, in that case we have to divide. So per step you will divide by 10. So here we are changing 3 steps. So first of all you will write 1 milligram equal to how much gram? How much gram? Milligram to gram. 1, 2, 3 means 1 by 1000. Right? Then it is asking 15,005 milligram. So what to do now? 15,005 divided by 1000. Right? Then what you will write now? It's coming, if we are dividing by 1000, children, we have already discussed when we are dividing the fraction by 100, 10, 1000 like this number. So what to do? You will leave 3 place from right side as your denominator carries 3 zeros. So 15.005, you can write gram or 15 gram 005 milligram. Got it? Now we got the answer in both the units, gram and milligram, and in decimal form you can write the higher unit, that is your gram. Clear? So this conversion from higher to lower unit, this thing you remember, you will multiply by 10 per step. And when we are changing from lower to higher unit, you have to divide by 10 per step. If we are changing 2 step or 3 step, accordingly you just multiply by 10 and you divide with that. Got it? So in this case, if the question is asking subtract 235 gram 685 milligram from 430 gram and 70 milligram. This is one question. We have to subtract it. Clear? So what thing you will do? Subtract this 235 gram 685 milligram from this value. So you need to write this value on the top as this is your higher value. Okay. So we will write here the units first, the heading gram and milligram. So write the value accordingly. Your units here 430 and here it is asking 70. Okay. Now we will subtract 235 685. So what to do, children? How to subtract this? You need to balance it by adding 0 in the left side of the number. Got it? Now we got here 3 place as your 1 gram equal to 1000 milligram. So milligram part you need to write 3 places. Got it? Then as your normal subtraction, you can subtract it. If the question is asking to add the value, you will add the value as your normal addition. Then 10 minus 5, it's coming 5. Now here it's 6. Again you have to borrow it. Then 16 minus 8 is 8. Now it is 9. 9 minus 6 is 3. Here also 9. 9 minus 5 is 4. Then here 2. 2 minus 3 we cannot subtract. Again borrow. 12 minus 3 is 9. Here 3. 3 minus 2 is coming 1. 194.385. You can write here whole in gram as here decimal point is there, or you can write 194 gram 385 milligram. Clear? So if the question is asking to do add and subtract, you will follow this formula, or you will apply this process to addition and subtraction, and the conversion also you have to follow this, how to change higher to lower by multiplying, and how to change lower to higher units by dividing the value. So children, for today only this much. You have to go through all these things. You need to practice it to get the answer.